some Hungry Jack pancake mix. This I know I didn't pay for this.
Oh yeah, you did.
Baby, send me $5.
These not even
Listen, baby, she sent me a screenshot of the balance that I owe, but that wasn't on the list, so I think she owed me $5.
This is $2.
Baby, that ain't no $2.
Yes, this is the big
$2 is before the pandemic prices.
No, the big.
My son, he already getting started.
Hey, what we gonna eat tonight?
On your own. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This week is gonna be a little different because guess what? We're snowed in. Yeah, we have a storm coming, so yeah, I won't be doing a cleaning video. No, because we gonna be around this house, laying around, chilling, just relaxing. So I just thought I'd pull the camera out and bring y'all along with me for maybe a day or two. We'll see how it goes, but the storm is coming. Okay, so y'all listen, let me tell y'all something. It's been the streets, the grocery stores, it's been crazy. Y'all know we went to the store last week, right? Well, we needed a few items. I'll be stuck in the house for about maybe 3 to 4 days. So I had my daughter to help me out, so yeah, let's see what all she picked up for me. Let's do a grocery haul. One second, child. Let me get out this work shirt because I don't need y'all knowing where I work at. Okay? Okay, y'all. So I created a list the other day, right? I was in here cooking dinner. As I mentioned before, we grocery shop once a month. But me knowing that the winter storm's coming, I said, okay, let me make a list of a few things that we may need from the store. So my daughter went to the store for me, y'all. Let's see. Oh, I was sure hoping you picked up some bananas that was a little green. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud. We got some bananas. Really?
It was like 2 batches left.
We got some bananas, some bell peppers. I plan on making some stuffed bell peppers. Listen, when you stuck in the house, what you want to do? Eat. We gotta eat good. Okay, we have some Hungry Jack pancake mix. I know I didn't pay for this.
Oh yeah, you did.
Baby, send me $5.
These not even $5.
Listen, let me tell y'all something. I made a list, right? Listen, baby, she sent me a screenshot of the balance that I owe, but that wasn't on the list, so I think she owed me $5.
This is $2.
Baby, that ain't no $2.
Yes, this is the big
$2
pack.
is before the pandemic prices.
No, the big pack is $5. This is $2. This is
No,
half a pack.
no.
Receipt.
Y'all see that? She was so quick, but she didn't tell me. Okay, we got a ooh, girl, you picked a nice size cabbage. Come on. We got cabbage. Listen, we gotta eat good. We gotta eat good. We got y'all. Listen, he see me up here recording, and he up here, mama. Yes, son. What is it?
Hey,
They good, huh?
Where your packet?
Don't worry about it. See y'all. I'll tell y'all something. It's go. I don't know how we gonna do this, but I don't know. Cause see, I put my snacks up. I made a list.
I left my ice cream too.
And I said, you're on your own with your snacks. Bananas. But anyway, we got some medium pulp. I just knew you was gonna pick up no pulp.
They ain't have none. You know I was. It was
Orange
either medium
juice.
or the regular.
We got some milk. What else? 2 packs of bacon. Ham hock.
That's for them daddy on that one.
That's for them chili beans. If you know, you know. Baby. This little bitty pack of sausage. Luckily, I don't eat sausage. I have turkey sausage, but yeah. Anyway, so that is our winter storm grocery haul. We're pretty good. We pretty much good. Baby, why he already talking about what we eating? Honey, the storm is coming. It ain't here yet. I'm not cooking till the storm start. I'm not cooking till the storm start. That don't even make sense. Baby, you on your own. I'm not cooking. Honey, he better get in there and see, he already trying to eat up all the storm food. No, I'm not cooking, honey. He better go in there and fix him something to eat, cause I ain't cooking today. Cause I know between me and my husband, we gonna be cooking breakfast and dinner. They don't eat. Who cook breakfast? What about you?
Maybe I'm gonna guess.
Yeah. Baby, please. You got mail, come here. Y'all, I don't know about this. Being stuck in the house for the next 3 days
Honey, I bought me some activities.
with these adult children of mine.
I bought me some yarn, a book, my junk journal.
Oh, okay. Honey, she got something to keep her busy.
Cause I may be here for a week.
Y'all, she got a whole suitcase and everything, baby. She came. Y'all, my daughter came prepared. Baby, she got her whole suitcase, honey. I guess, but y'all, my son, he already getting started.
Hey, what we gonna eat tonight?
Oh, yo, Did you eat? Ooh, it's coming down. Ooh, wee. It's coming down, y'all. It's coming down. Ooh, it's cold. What she do?
What is wrong with you?
Why y'all say? Oh, you about to get your butt beat. Y'all, listen. I'm sitting up here about to start talking to y'all, and all I
You stay right there.
y'all, Ella about to get put out. Ella is about to get put out. Like, yeah, she just did a big no-no. Like, yeah. And she doesn't, I blame the owner. So that means her and her owner, they about to pack up and they about to head back north. Okay? Because, yeah. Yeah, clean it up now. Looking like Cinderella down there. Clean it up. Anywho, guys, it's Saturday, and yeah, we're stuck in the house. Now, I remember telling y'all yesterday I didn't want to do no cleaning, but after opening up my refrigerator, yeah, I think that's going to be on the list of things to do today. Yeah, clean out the refrigerator. But I wanted to come on camera, say, hey guys, good morning. And I'm sipping my coffee. I like my Valentine cup. I would have loved to, decorate my coffee area for the Valentine season, but y'all have to remember I'm doing a no spend, so yeah. And I don't even have nothing from years prior, I believe. No. Because I typically wouldn't do a lot in my coffee area. I would just maybe get like one little item, but yeah, I don't think I have anything at all but this coffee cup. So, anywho, I'm going to enjoy my cup of coffee, call and check on mother, because there's people losing power already. I was up at 3 this morning and people were they was reporting power outages. Now, if anybody know about Texas storms, what was this? 2021? We was out of power. Like, a lot of people lost power for about a week or two. So yeah, we're all hoping that we don't have a repeat of the 2021. And actually the storm, I don't know, it's slowly approaching. I would have thought by now more would be covered, but again, I'm just looking at my backyard, so I'm sure the roads is iced up or whatever. But hey, it's the weekend, we don't have nowhere to go, thank God. My son is off of work for a hospital, and had this not been his weekend to be off, yeah, he would have had to drive in. So a majority of what we're gonna get is ice. We barely will have snow. It's gonna be majority ice. So anywho, gonna finish this coffee, call mama, and I guess I'll prepare breakfast for everyone. So yeah, talk to you guys later. I'll be back.